EcoCAR 2 is a 3-year collegiate design competition where students are taking a production Chevrolet Malibu and making it into a more fuel-efficient plug-in hybrid. At the facility inspections, we're going around to each school and seeing what their progress is so far.
The facilities inspection is a scored event. It's actually worth 60 competition points. And if teams don't pass their facilities inspections, they will not receive their vehicle in time.
The major deliverables for the inspections are progress and safety documentation, checking the facilities to make sure they have the right equipment. We looked at a demo of their high voltage system construction. So that's where they're working with high voltage wires and fusing and showing us that they understand the principles behind building those systems.
So we're looking to make sure they have some safety practices in place, like their fire extinguishers, procedures for like welding and milling and lathing and things like that that really are safety critical. We're also making sure that their hoist is in place, that their facilities are clean.
In this room we have their HIL system, so we looked at and talked about their progress there, what their plans are for running a full vehicle simulation come competition this year.
And really just that they're ready to receive their vehicle as soon as we give it to them.
The Penn State team has been involved since about 1989. We were one of the teams that participated in the first DOE challenges. Penn State University really values the participation in these competitions. We think it's a good, real-world, hands-on opportunity for our students to get some experience. So for a lot of these students, it's the first opportunity they've ever had to work in a garage. We want to make sure that we have a facility that's safe, that they understand the proper procedures and know what to do.
We were very nervous. There was a lot of line items that associated with the facility inspection. So we really wanted to make sure we got everything because our car does depend on this. Our A123 battery pack donation depends on this. So there's a lot riding on this. What we did to prepare for the inspection is to clean our facilities, create a lot of documentation on what we were doing. So we had a high voltage demonstration and a hill demonstration. We had to have paperwork to back up both of those. Snap-on is great. We're getting a lot of different high voltage tools, high voltage safety equipment from them. We're also getting a lot of standard tools. Snap-on really takes care of us.
So if I was another team getting ready, I would definitely make sure that your shop is clean and you have all of your documentation in place. Sometimes that's the hardest part, is getting everything signed and in a binder.
I say to all the schools, we want to see that teams have a real implementation of the items on the checklist, not just checking the box. So it's just a lot of practical knowledge involved in what is really a very complex vehicle they're going to be constructing.